guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new tutorial, a new GTK tutorial. It is about a new tool which we are going to learn today, and we'll see a moment about what I'm talking about. Until then, let me show you something. You remember when we are using some widgets, when we're creating some buttons from stock or icons name or something like that, we had to find out which icon names we need to provide for. For that, we had to type icon naming specification. You remember that? And then we saw that we have here link right here, icon naming specification, and then we have to choose between canonical document reference, and of course we have a lot of them right here with its information and so on, but we didn't quite have some image of those icons. So basically, if you take if you decide or if you choose to take one of them, well, then basically you need to understand which kind of icon. The same thing happens here also. You need to understand which kind of icon you are using. So this means you need to know how it looks like and so on, not just testing in and watching if it's that right or if it's the wrong one. So basically it is quite complicated. Of course, with the time it will be no problem, but how would you find a better way, and or how would you do it in another way so that you have a graphic as well of those icons? So basically to see them how they look like as well, and not just how they are called. So not just knowing how they name are. That being said, for something like this, there is a special tool. I'm going to show you something in a second. It is called GTK3 -Icon-Browser. If you don't have it, like me, I don't have it also, browser. If you don't have it like I'm also don't have it right now, it will inform you to just install it. So as you can see, I don't have it, so I need to install it by using sudo apt install gtk3 examples. I'm doing right now. I'm going to use my password, and then I'm going to let my system to install it for me. It will take a second because it goes very fast. It's a small program but with big information for our applications. As you can see, it's taking for us GTK examples, which are the high color icon names, manage support, and a lot of the other things they are triggered. Now that's it done, I'm going to clean, and I'm going to type again GTK3 -Icon-Browser, and yes, I type one letter more, and there we go. Here it is, our program. Here it is, the thing which we needed when we need to create an application where we need to use we need to provide icon names. So as you can see, let me make it bigger. We have a volume, so all those names, how they look like, how they sizes which you can use them, 16, 24, 32, 48, and 64, and so on, you see. And then you have the multimedia of as well, all those how they look on network. So basically you have a lot of icons which you can choose them. Copy to clipboard. If you clicked here and then right click and paste, you see document save. The name is right there. So basically you don't even need to type the name for yourself, you just need to use copy to clipboard. View controls, calendar task and alarms, communication, device and media, contest types, and a lot of emojis, yes, general stuffs, and other stuffs. As you can see, there is a lot of information and there is a lot of things which you can take and use into your application, so that it looks the way you want to create it for yourself. Basically, these things are things which they default to your operating system. So be sure before you use those names that they are really at least standard in that system, not just trying to use some icons names and thinking that if you move your application to a new one, it will still be there. So for this, just after you show the icon, it is the one you needed, whatever which could be, just before you use it, go back to the standard icon naming specification and watch for it if it's here. If it's here, then it is the right one. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.